good afternoon, good evening, depending where in the world you are at. This is Wolf with Attitude. I want to wish all my fellow Americans a very happy, safe 4th of July. The reason why we have a 4th of July. On July 4th, 1776, America, then the 13 colonies, declared independence from British ruling. It is more than just going to the beach, having a barbecue, or 50% off sales. It is also known as Independence Day, which marked the anniversary of the Second Continental Congress adopting the Declaration of Independence. It was made from delegates from the United States' original 13, unanimously approving document that declared independence from Great Britain. Why do we celebrate? It is the date that made sure that America became its own nation, that it won't fall into the hands of tyranny. It officially became a federal holiday in the United States in 1941, but the traditional celebration goes back to the 18th century and the end of the American Revolutionary, the birth of America as its own country. The original 13 was no longer considered British citizens. They were American citizens. On July 2, 1776, 2 days before the Declaration, the historic document drafted by Thomas Jefferson from 1776 to the present day, July 4th, became the official birthday of the United States, a free nation upon the world. It was through Thomas Jefferson, the primary author of the Declaration of Independence, it became the permanent rule that defined a nation. The draft was our Constitution. Though drafted in 1776, the Constitution was written and signed in 1787. Now with that history lesson, I want to wish you all a happy, healthy and safe 4th of July. Just remember what it took to give us this federal holiday, the bigger meaning behind it. With that being said, I give you a Wolf with Attitude presentation.
My house, my rule. Welcome to hell.